Welcome to YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button because today, we're diving into something truly special. The 2025 Volvo Motorhome, a luxurious beast that redefines road travel. This isn't just any RV. It's a rolling smart home, a mobile penthouse, and a powerhouse of innovation, all wrapped in Volvo's signature design and engineering excellence. You're watching Car Vantage, and this is going to be one epic ride. Let's kick things off with the exterior. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the 2025 Volvo Motorhome demands attention. With its sleek aerodynamic profile, full LED light system, and Volvo's unmistakable grille design, it looks more like a futuristic spaceship than a traditional RV. The body is sculpted with lightweight composite materials, keeping it fuel-efficient while also giving it a bold, modern look. Massive panoramic windows run along both sides, giving passengers uninterrupted views of the world outside. And yes, it sits on a heavy-duty Volvo truck chassis, so you know it's built for long hauls and tough terrain. Step inside, and you're instantly transported to a 5-star suite on wheels. The interior is crafted with premium Scandinavian materials, soft-touch leather, natural wood accents, ambient lighting, and every inch feels like it was designed with comfort in mind. The open floor plan features a spacious living area, a state-of-the-art kitchen with smart appliances, and a fully equipped bathroom that honestly puts some hotel rooms to shame. There's even a queen-size bed with memory foam that folds out with the push of a button. Volvo didn't cut any corners here. But what really makes the 2025 Volvo Motorhome stand out is the technology. This thing is loaded. We're talking voice-activated controls, a built-in AI assistant that learns your preferences, a full suite of safety features like adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist, and an integrated infotainment system that rivals luxury cars. The cockpit is just as impressive: digital dash, head-up display, and a futuristic steering system that feels like you're piloting a high-tech aircraft. What's even crazier? It's got solar panels on the roof and a hybrid engine setup that gives you serious range without sacrificing power. So whether you're heading off the grid or cruising cross-country, you're covered. And when you park, the leveling system auto-adjusts in seconds, and with a push of a button, the sidewalls extend to reveal even more living space. It's like a transformer in the best possible way. Volvo's vision for the future of motorhomes is all about combining luxury, sustainability, and adventure. And the 2025 model hits every single mark. This is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Perfect for digital nomads, retirees, families, or anyone who dreams of taking the road less traveled in serious style. That's all for today's feature on the stunning 2025 Volvo Motorhome. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more epic car content every week. This is Car Vantage, where the road meets luxury, and I'll see you in the next one.